Welcome to our channel. If you want to convert your personal Instagram account to a business account or create a new business profile, follow these step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Open the Instagram app on your mobile device and log in to your account. Step 2. Go to your profile by tapping your profile picture icon in the bottom right corner. Step 3. Tap the 3 horizontal lines, menu icon, in the top right corner of your profile. Step 4. Select Settings from the menu that appears. Step 5. Tap on Account, and then look for the Switch to Professional Account option. Step 6. Choose Business as your account type when prompted, rather than Creator. Step 7. Select the category that best describes your business from the list provided. Step 8. Review your contact information and add your business email, phone number, and physical address if applicable. Step 9. Optionally connect your Instagram business account to your Facebook business page for easier management and cross-posting. Your account is now a business account with access to insights, promotion tools, and contact buttons. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.